Remember, getting a website code from developers and deploying it onto application server was a tedious task using traditional ways of deployment. DevOps has changed the way of deployments now. Now you can deploy websites in few minutes onto any number of target machines. And that's what we are going to do here. How to deploy a website in few minutes using Docker containers. Watch this video until the end for a special surprise. So for the sake of deployment, I have a VM running here, which is a Ubuntu machine. And here in this folder, I will be downloading my website code from Google. I can get the code from developer as well. So for the sake of deployment, let's get HTML website free source code here. I will get it from freecss.com. This is the first website. I can download the code, copy the link and use wget to download it on the server. It will download a voodoo.zip file here in this current directory, and let's extract it using unzip utility. This has extracted all the files into a folder voodoo. Let's go inside the folder and check for the contents to make sure the zip file has all the files required to deploy the website. Get the current path. This path will be required to mount with the container path so that these files are accessible inside the containers and Nginx container website default location. Now we have all the content available. Let's deploy the website in Docker container using docker run command -ti-d. I will mount the port 82 of host to the container port 80, which is the default port of Nginx, and -v for mounting these all files available in this host location, home ubuntu demo voodoo, to the Nginx user share Nginx HTML path, which is the default location for websites in Nginx, and the image of Nginx. Let's run this container. I got the ID, that means container has started. Docker ps grep Nginx. I will check for my container status. Yes, so this container just started 8 seconds ago, and this is the container ID accessible on the host port 82. Let's try to access this website. Website is deployed successfully, so I will just copy the host machine IP and do http://ip and the port 82, and we'll see if my website is accessible. So here we can see I was able to deploy my website using Docker container in few minutes only, and the website is completely operational and accessible on the web. You can navigate and check if website is working properly. So this was about the deployment of website using Docker containers and DevOps way, which is a very quick way as compared to traditional ways.
So this is just one of the many amazing things that you can do with DevOps. Now if you like this mini class and it helped you in any way, you may want to register for our action-driven DevOps Foundation workshop, where you will learn more about Git, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Jenkins, etc. Click on the button below to learn more about the special DevOps workshop.